Going live?
Shall we all rise for the opening of prayer to be followed by the roll call of the day? Opening by Bobet, Nabukan the prayer, and the roll call of the day by Franklin.
Let's go ahead to prayer, leading to Father, Son, Holy Spirit. Dear God, we thank you for carrying us to another day. Thank you for the gift of life, and Lord, we thank you this afternoon. Lord, we choose not to worry about the things that we cannot control. Please help us to put your trust only in us, not what have happened. You are in control of everything. Lord, as we set this previous conference, we want everybody to be awareness of this camp successful. We ask this to Christ our Lord. Amen. In the Father, Son, Holy Spirit.
Good morning to all of us. For our attendance this Preventive conference. Our Chairperson, Engineer Henry Mario Italiano. Vice Chairperson, Mr. Flordelito T. Darrell. Regular Member, Engineer Walter T. Morito. Technical Working Group, Engineer Raymond Armapili. Our accountant, Ma'am Rowena Ilomuxo, and Engineer Ramil Iani. Our Head Back Secretariat, Engineer IRC Torino, Secretariat Members, Mr. Mark Francis T. Ontolan, Mr. Giselle Ponesi Lumuxo, Ms. Rialin Ann S. Regina, Mr. Bubit C. Lagupan, Ms. Jocelyn J. Salcedo, and yours truly, Mr. Franklin Escobar Rodriguez. And we have here Engineer Kit Brian B. Ingong, our programmer from Maintenance Section, and we have also personnel from Procurement Unit, Ms. Gina T. Democrito. That's all.
Thank you, Sir Bobet Nabukan, for the short opening prayer, and Sir Christopher Franklin Rodriguez for the roll call of today. The roll call of today reveals that majority of us, Bid and Awards Committee members are present, therefore this private conference is come to order. Welcome to the DPWH Zamboanga Sibugay 1st District Engineering Office, Diblahan, Zamboanga Sibugay, Region 9. Today is February 14. Happy Valentine's Day. This private conference, we have one or single project, and that is 24JI0060, Preventive Maintenance, Tertiary Roads along Junction Imelda-Alicia Road, Zamboanga Sibugay, road section S01114 kilometer 1751 plus 756 to kilometer 1751 plus 847, kilometer 1753 plus 424 to kilometer 1754 plus 016. Kilometer 1756 plus 537.5 to kilometer 1756 plus 788.5, kilometer 1762 plus 000 to kilometer 1762 plus 363.5 to kilometer 1762 plus 400.5 to kilometer 1763 plus 975.5 with an ABC of 144,700,000 50,000. For this private conference, the agenda for today is, again, the brief presentation or explanation by the back of the following: the basic contract data, which includes but not limited to contract description, ABC, duration, and letter B, requirements of bidding documents, which includes instruction to bidders, general conditions of contract, special conditions of contract, specification, rulings, bill of quantities and forms, and the documents to be submitted by the bidders, which is after the legal documents, which is now the technical components of the bid and the financial component of the bid. So number 2 is the criteria and procedure for eligibility check, preliminary examination of bids, detailed evaluation of bids, post-qualification, and award. Then number 3 is the questions or comments from the bidders and replies of the back, another representative of procuring entity, other matters, number 4, the other matters, and number 5 is the summary of proceedings, including supplemental or bid bulletin to be issued if there is a. So without further ado, let us now hear the brief discussion or presentation of the said contract ID number 24JI0060 by one of our engineers in the person of Engineer Steve Brian Lincoln.
Hello. So, good morning to all. This refers to 24JI0060 with the project name of Preventive Maintenance, Tertiary Road along Junction Imelda-Alicia Road, with station limits of kilometer 1751 plus 756 to kilometer 1751 plus 847, kilometer 1753 plus 424 to kilometer 1754 plus 016, kilometer 1756 plus 537.5 to kilometer 1756 plus 788.5, kilometers. Kilometer 1762 plus 000 to 1762 to kilometer 1762 plus 363.5. Kilometer 1762 plus 400.5 to kilometer 1763 plus 975.5, and including ang shoulder animal preventive maintenance, with a net length of 5.665 lane PM and a project duration of 147 calendar days, with an ABC of 144,750,000. So for the scope of work, we have the Part B, under general requirements, we have the B.5 project billboards/signboard, B.7 occupational safety and health program, B.81 traffic management, B.9 mobilization/demobilization. For Part C, the earthworks, we have the 1013B1 removal of structures and obstruction, 0.15 meters thick. 1013B3 removal of structures and obstruction, 0.23 meters thick. 1031A structure excavation, common soil. For Part D, we have the sub-base and base course, 201 aggregate sub-base course. For Part E, surface courses, we have the 3045 the emulsified asphalt, 310-1C, bituminous concrete surface swirling course, hot blade, 50 mmT, 311-1A, Portland cement concrete pavement, unreinforced, 0.15 meters thick, 14 days. 311-1E1, Portland cement concrete pavement, unreinforced, 0.28 meters thick, 14 days. And part H, we have the miscellaneous structures, 6121, reflectorized thermoplastic pavement, markings white, and 6131, concrete joint sealant, hot board elastic pipe. So that's all for 24GI 0060.
Thank you, Engineer Kitbayan Ingkong, for discussing to us uh, the item of works that should be done in this particular projects, including the other requirements. So, there are questions, or there is any question or clarifications for this particular project?
Sa kwan, sir, Imelda-Alicia, ay additional lang po na po na ano yung reblocking. So, reblocking.
Reblocking.
Kulit ya atong kuha na to. Karon na sa project na to.
Sa kanang highway dining niya.
O kani atong kuha na to. Kulit isa.
Sa makulit siya sa mga existing asphalt. Ay intermittent man ang kuwan. Namang siya mga gap sa on-site na, siya mga gap. So katong mga gap, isumpay na mo ito eh.
Okay, sana Gina, makita si why din ako isa. Ito eh.
Apilan ni sa shoulder. Pero nag-coordinate na ko ani sa planning, nanguntahan ako dito if na may widening dito po, anak ko na planning, wala mo po dito na akin. So di raw mo na.
Isa na natungwang din tayo na shoulder.
Apilan.
Okay, so again, this we include also reblocking for this particular projects, and the asphalt overlay is in intermittent sections. That is gap for the existing asphalt overlay gaps for existing. That is why there are so many sections, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sections, which is included in this preventive maintenance, these particular projects that will be undertaken later on. So, any other further clarifications? If there is or there are none, or there is none, yet may I hear from the Secretary.
Good morning, Mr. Chair. Good morning, everyone. So for our succeeding procurement activities, we have a scheduled opening of bids tomorrow for 1 DOT project and 1 flood control project. That is all, Mr. Chair.
So you heard already that we have the opening of bids for tomorrow's scheduled activities. So, any other matters? If there is none, then may I request someone who moves the adjournment of this Preventive conference?
Mr. Chair, I want to adjourn this meeting.
Second.
It has been moved and seconded that the Preventive conference is day, February 14, is formally closed. Thank you and good morning and happy Valentine's Day.
Five minutes.